Hello guys, this is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to talk about a topic regarding how to delete your Discord server, or how to delete any Discord server which you have created on Windows 10 platform. So it's quite easy actually, but I still thought it's important to make a tutorial regarding this because I have noticed that Discord is lagging the PC a lot, and the reason is that there are a lot of servers on which you might not be using, or your own build servers. So let's get started, my friends. First of all, select the server you want to delete, and it must be owned by you. So I am on the LiquidOcelot server, and on the top over here I see the LiquidOcelot option with a down arrow mannequin. I'll click it and I'll go to server settings with that cog. I'll click it, and then you see all these options over here. So I'll just click this red button, delete server. I'll click it, and are you sure you want to delete LiquidOcelot? This action cannot be undone, so I'll just click delete server. So they say that you didn't enter the server name correctly. What I'll do is I'll click cancel, and I'll go to this section, server name, highlight it, Control C, copy, or right click copy, just to show you guys. Yes, I copied it, and now I'll go to the delete server once again, paste it, Control V, and just click this red button, delete server, and you'll see that the server doesn't exist anymore and it has been wiped out, and this cannot be undone. So be careful, my friends. Thanks for watching, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below if this tutorial was helpful or not. Take care, my friends. I'll be signing off.